Are you looking as pet owners look for smarter ways to simplify daily chores? The demand for automatic litter boxes has soared. These innovative devices promise hands-free waste removal, reduced odor, and a cleaner environment for both pets and owners. Whether you're a multi-cat household or a first-time pet parent, this guide reviews the best automatic litter boxes based on smart features, safety, odor control, capacity, and overall value. List number: PETKIT 2025 Purobot Max Pro AI Camera Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The PETKIT 2025 Purobot Max Pro is a premium self-cleaning litter box that integrates advanced technology with pet safety. Its standout feature is the AI-powered 210-degree wide-angle camera with night vision, allowing you to monitor your cat's behavior anytime through the companion app. The cleaning system is swift and quiet, automatically separating waste and sealing it for odor control. Equipped with multi-layer safety sensors, it ensures your pet never gets caught during operation. The build is solid, sleek, and suitable for larger cats. The odor containment system is highly effective, making it a game changer for indoor environments. This model is ideal for tech-savvy cat owners who want full control and peace of mind while away from home. While it's a pricier option, the premium features and user experience fully justify the investment. List No. Open-top self-cleaning litter box with dual safety sensors. If you prefer a more open design, this open-top automatic litter box delivers simplicity with essential features. Its dual safety sensors prevent operation while your cat is inside, and the anti-pinch protection ensures added safety during cleaning cycles. The open-top style allows for better air circulation and is suitable for cats that dislike enclosed spaces. Its design is user-friendly with minimal assembly, and it fits seamlessly in small apartments. While it lacks app connectivity and smart features, the basic auto-cleaning mechanism is efficient and reliable. Odor control is decent with regular maintenance. It's a solid entry-level option for those seeking automation without bells and whistles. List number: self-cleaning litter box with app control and odor-free waste disposal. This smart litter box hits the sweet spot between functionality and affordability. Featuring app control, users can monitor cleaning cycles, track litter levels, and receive alerts in real time. The odor-free waste disposal system is a standout feature, using sealed trash bags to lock in smells. The design is modern and compact, making it ideal for small to mid-sized homes. The automatic cleaning process is smooth and quiet, and the interior is large enough for medium-sized cats. While the app can occasionally lag, the overall performance and ease of use make it a popular choice among busy cat owners. It's perfect for those who want a blend of smart features without spending top dollar. List number: Cumreach Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Large capacity with app control. The Cumreach Self-Cleaning Litter Box is designed for households with multiple or larger cats. With its extra large capacity, it minimizes the need for constant waste disposal, making it a practical solution for busy pet parents. App integration allows for remote control, schedule setting, and cleaning notifications. The waste compartment is spacious, and the cleaning cycle is quick and thorough. Users praise the whisper quiet motor and the anti-odor system that keeps rooms fresh. The interior drum is roomy, giving larger cats plenty of space to move. One downside is that setup takes slightly longer due to its size and configuration, but once assembled, it runs seamlessly. It's an excellent choice for multi-cat families looking for reliability and space. List number: 95LL Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Large capacity, app-controlled for multiple cats. Built for high-traffic pet homes, this 95LL Self-Cleaning Litter Box delivers industrial-strength performance. With one of the largest waste capacities on the market, it's ideal for households with multiple cats or larger breeds. The app-controlled features let users schedule cleanings, monitor waste levels, and get alerts, all from their smartphone. The device uses advanced sensors for safety, and its anti-odor technology works exceptionally well. The internal chamber is spacious, and cleaning is virtually hands-free. While its size may require more floor space, the trade-off is fewer litter box chores. The smart functions work reliably, and the design, though minimalist, blends well with most interiors. It's a top-tier pick for pet owners wanting maximum convenience and capacity.